Chat, he's getting ready to run and shit. Microwave before. I don't know. I'm kind of. Ain't shit about to happen, bro. You bugging, dog. Okay, let's go. All right, 5 minutes.
If you see one like little, if it lights up at all, just open the microwave.
Ain't nothing about to happen, bro. Trust me. See? It's good. Everything okay. See?
You hear that?
What? Just chill, stop playing with me, bro. Hear what? You trolling, stop playing with me. See, nothing happening. Ain't nothing happening, bro. Ain't shit happening, bro.
Well, it's definitely not turning to plastic.
So what's about to happen to it?
It's gonna leave in there long enough.
Ain't shit happening. What the fuck? Alright. I'm ready. I mean, like, something happened. Shit. I'm Fireman. No, I'm Spider-Man. Can't Spider-Man, like, shoot water out his hands and shit?
Webs.
Yo, y'all some... Man, I swear to God, bro, ain't shit happened. That's some... Like, what was the point? Like, what was the point, bro? It's patched? Oh, yeah, it got patched.
Yeah, in the last update, I forgot to tell you that.
RP, yo, just be quiet, bro, at this point. Alright, wait, what time is it?
5:24.